Welcome to What Is, the channel dedicated to demystifying the big ideas that shape our world. Today, we dive into a cornerstone of human knowledge, a fundamental force that underpins everything from the smallest subatomic particle to the largest swirling galaxy. We're asking the question, what is physics? Is it just complicated equations that make your brain ache? Is it mad scientists in labs with sparking electricity? Or is it simply the grand story of everything, waiting to be understood? At its core, physics is the natural science that studies matter, its fundamental constituents, its motion and behavior through space and time, and the related entities of energy and force. Sounds a bit grand, doesn't it? But really, physics is just trying to figure out how the universe works. And spoiler alert, it works remarkably well, even when we don't fully understand it. It's about why an apple falls from a tree, why the sky is blue, why your phone charges, and most importantly, why you don't spontaneously float off into space. Thankfully, physics is the cosmic instruction manual, detailing the rules of the game we call reality. Humans have always been, in a sense, amateur physicists, even before we had a word for it. From staring at the stars in wonder to wondering why things fall down instead of up, an astute observation that even Aristotle made, though his theories on why were, well, let's just say they had character but lacked empirical evidence. For centuries, we were mostly just observing. Then came folks like Galileo Galilei, who wasn't content with just thinking about how things worked. He tested them. Probably annoyed a lot of people by dropping stuff off towers, pushing the boundaries of both science and noise complaints. He famously challenged the prevailing wisdom with experiments, laying the groundwork for the scientific method itself. And then, along came Sir Isaac Newton, a man who practically invented classical mechanics in his spare time, all while probably worrying about falling apples and inventing calculus. Multitasking at its finest. These weren't just dusty old men in wigs. They were cosmic detectives, laying the foundations for how we understand motion, gravity, and the very nature of light. They took the universe from a mystical enigma to something understandable, predictable, and even beautiful. But physics isn't a single monolithic blob. It's a magnificent, sprawling tree with many branches, each exploring a different facet of reality. We have classical mechanics, the realm of Newton. This is the physics of things you can see and touch. How balls roll, how rockets fly, how a wrecking ball, well, wrecks things. It's the physics of everyday magnitudes, and it's surprisingly intuitive once you get past all the F equals ma bits. It's why you can play pool or launch a frisbee, understanding, perhaps subconsciously, the forces at play. Then there's thermodynamics, the physics of heat, energy, and entropy. It explains why your coffee gets cold, why engines work, and why you should probably invest in a good insulated mug. It tells us that the universe is inevitably heading towards a state of maximum disorganization, which some physicists affectionately refer to as laundry day. Next up, electromagnetism. This is where electricity, magnetism, and light are all revealed to be part of the same cosmic dance. No Michael Faraday, no electric generators. Basically, without these pioneers, you wouldn't be watching this video on your glowing screen, and your entire modern life would look very, very different. Imagine trying to scroll through your feed with a quill and ink, and then things get really interesting. Enter Albert Einstein and relativity, who showed us that space and time aren't fixed backdrops but stretchy, interconnected fabric, and that mass and energy are two sides of the same coin. This is where things get weird, in the best possible way. Black holes, time dilation, the speed of light as the ultimate speed limit, it's sci-fi made real, proving that reality can indeed be stranger than fiction. But wait, there's more. the truly mind-bending stuff, quantum mechanics. This is the physics of the subatomic world, where particles can be in two places at once. States are uncertain until observed, and nothing quite makes classical sense. It's like the universe is playing hide-and-seek with us, and the rules change just as we get close. If you think you fully understand quantum mechanics, you probably don't, and neither do most physicists, entirely. But hey, it powers lasers and transistors, so we're not complaining too much about its inherent weirdness. So why bother with all these complex theories and equations? Because physics isn't just an intellectual exercise. It's the engine of progress and understanding. Every piece of technology you use, from GPS to MRI machines, from your smartphone's microchip to the power grid that lights your home, is built on the bedrock of physical laws. It allows us to design bridges that don't fall down, predict the weather mostly, send probes to distant planets, and even harness the power of the atom for energy, for better or worse. Beyond the practical, physics offers us a profound way to understand our place in the cosmos. It answers questions like, how did the universe begin? What is it made of? Are there other planets like ours? It's the ultimate detective story, with the universe as the crime scene, and reality as the ultimate, elusive culprit. But the story isn't over. Physics is a living, breathing field, ever evolving. We're still grappling with the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, the unification of all fundamental forces, and the very nature of consciousness itself. Every answer seems to open up 10 new questions, which is both incredibly frustrating and incredibly exciting. It means there's always more to discover, more to challenge, more to understand about this incredible universe we inhabit. So, what is physics? It's the grand narrative of existence. It's the meticulous detective work of unlocking the universe's deepest secrets. It's the relentless curiosity that drives us to ask why and how. It's the ultimate scientific endeavor, full of wonder, complexity, and yes, sometimes a good laugh when we realize just how little we still know. We hope this journey through the world of physics has sparked a little curiosity in you. If you enjoyed this exploration, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to What Is for more mind-bending topics, and let us know in the comments what aspect of physics blows your mind. Until next time, keep questioning everything.